Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create your own PDF for image parser. To start, click on Start Now here, then Create Now. Then we put in a name. So what we will do here is create a Hong Kong weather parser. And then what we will have to do is add a source file. Source file in this case is weather train. So this is actually a screenshot from the Hong Kong weather department. It contains some information about a month, in this case January 2025. So this is the image we use as source file. And the expected output file is a CSV. I already created myself manually, so that's for that image. In this case we have month, the high, the mean temperature, the mean low temperature, mean humidity, mean cloudiness, rainfall, sunshine, evaporation. So that's for January 2025. And here if we tick this checkbox, that means that the first line in the CSV are headers. So if we upload several images or PDFs, the header will only be shown for the first image, and then for the subsequent images it won't be shown anymore. Click Create. Now we have the Hong Kong weather parser here. Then we click on Use Parser. Here we have 12 months for 2024. We drag and drop them over here and click on Run. So this will take a little bit of time to upload and then to process. To make it quicker, I will simply skip ahead. So here we are with one file to go, almost finished. And once processing is finished, it will show the table. So this is all done automatically based on the training data put in. So I put in one image and one line, and based on that line, the system knows how to basically look for the data in the image and fill all the various lines. Then we can click on Download CSV, and we get an Excel file, CSV file, and you can go ahead and use the data whichever way you want. So this of course is only an example. You probably won't be ending up parsing weather data, but it's very useful for certain documents which don't conform to normal standards. For invoices, for example, I have one company where I get royalties where I get 13 or 14 different countries in one document, which need to be passed into one invoice each. So I'm using this parser for this. Or you can use it for screenshots you make online. You can use it for all sorts of things. For forms you have in a PDF. Anything that keeps the same structure, but the content changes, this parser is very useful for.